Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to connect Spectrum pods to Wi-Fi. First, you need to download the My Spectrum app. Go to the Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. After signing in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Services tab. From there, select Internet. You will now see an option that says Install Spectrum Wi-Fi Pods. Tap on that option to begin the setup process. Now take your first pod and plug it into a wall outlet. Choose a location that is open and not blocked by large furniture, metal objects, or mirrors. This helps the pod connect better to your network and improves performance. Once the pod is plugged in, watch the light on the device. It will start blinking as it tries to connect. Be patient during this step. The light will change colors as the connection progresses. It will first turn solid green, then blue, and finally it will begin to slowly pulse green. When you see the pulsing green light, it means your pod is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can now repeat the same steps for any additional pods if needed. Thanks for watching.